What's up, guys? Today I have kind of a cool opening for you today. It is one of these little cube thingies. Comes with two figures and a Dragon Frontiers, EX Dragon Frontiers. So definitely worth the $10 that this thing was. So go ahead and open it. Also, a couple people messaged me, asked me why I film sometimes in my car. And for one, it's quiet, and two, I can't wait to open these things till I drive all the way to the house. So that's the reason, if you're wondering. And it's taped, so bear with me as I crack into this thing, trying not to damage the cards. Okay. And that's pretty cool. That's a cool little box. So you get, oh nice. So you get a Dragon Frontiers and a Dark Explorers. So let's see what other random stuff's in here. Just kind of thrown in here. Normally don't buy these things, but when I see Dragon Frontiers or any EX, I try to buy it just because. Also, they give you the figures without these stands, which is kind of funny. So, alright. And here's the random crap that is. Got a Snover, Cleffa, oh, that's from a Machino, Energy, Patrat, Timber. See what I mean? They're just randomized. Another Timber. These must have been from some half deck or something. Energies. Pokemon Communication. Oh, Darkness Energy. That's cool. Drillbur. And then that's the other holo card. Bronzer. I don't know what set those are from. Anyways, let's get to the main meat of why I bought this thing. So, here's the Dark Explorers pack. Try to save these cover arts. Which they're opening nicely, so that's good. Kind of squished though. Part of me just wants to put that Dragon Frontiers on eBay because they go for so much money. But we'll see. Maybe the pull will be worth it. So we got a Yamask, Umbreon, Old Amber, Plusle, Larvesta, Woobat, Eevee, a Woobat Reverse, and an Espeon Rare. So, kind of poop. But, this EX Dragon Frontiers has the Mew Gold Star that I need, or the Charizard Gold Star that I need for my Gold Star set in it. So, it's going to make up for it. Alright. And here we go. Can't remember the trick, so I'm just going to go through it. Oh man, gosh, I miss these days. I wish I was collecting them. So we got a Vulpix. We got a Totodile. Beautiful Ralts. Pupitar, I guess, I don't know. A Smoochum. A Professor Elm's Training Method. That's cool. Awesome, awesome. Oh, nice. We got a holo. Cool. So, a Meganium holo. That's cool. An Electabuzz and Vibrava. So, awesome. Awesome, awesome pull. So, yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Please like this video if you liked it. Subscribe if you're new. And please stay tuned for more awesome videos. Stay awesome.